Hello guys, welcome to Photoshop 2025, and now I want to show you how to design or create a trifold brochure in Adobe Photoshop 2025. So let's start. If you need to create brochure design, you must select from new document, printing, and select the size A4. So after selecting A4, right here try brochure and change to landscape. Set the resolution quality 300 resolution pixel per inch. So if you need to print this brochure, you must select the color CMYK. So if you need to use for digital web, not for printing, you must select RGB. And there is about color bit. So for printing, for designing 8-bit. So if you need to create or design 24K, 48K, so then you must save in HDRI, Targa TF. You can select 16-bit or 32-bit for high resolution image. So now for this project you must select 8-bit, and now click create. So there you must go to view, select the guides, new guide layout, select column 3 right here, select the column 3 and set the gutter 10, set the margins, the most important part 10, 10, 10, 10. Change the color for guidelines red or dark blue, click OK. So then go back to view, set the guides lock. Okay, and now your project is ready. So if you need to design from vector, you must use pen tool. Select pen tool, change this option into shape because we need to create vector shape design. Select the color. I need to select the dark blue color because I need to set orange and dark blue branding design. And now one click here, hold shift, one click here. So if you need to reject, press Ctrl Z, hold shift, one click here, and here hold shift, then close. Select direct selection and select this point, move up, hold shift, select this point, move up. Okay, and now select the layer shape 1, make a copy, select shape 1, go to change the color into orange color. From here, select the orange color, click OK. Select shape 1 copy, direct selection, and select this point, move a little bit down to create design. So, and now select again a rectangle, make a simple basic rectangle right there and change the color to white. So select, let me change the color a little bit blue, then hold Alt key, make one copy right there. So in middle I need to use the photo or image. Press Ctrl plus O to open an image. Let's find the photo pictures. Let's select this one and select Ctrl plus C to take copy, Ctrl V paste. Hold Alt key, make big large size, apply and move image down there and select this third one. Let's create gradient color. Select the pen tool, go back to shape, select gradient. So select gradient, double click our first color, double click again our next color. Okay, and now change the direction like this and select these all 3 layers. This layer, move it down, select this layer, move it down. Great. So select the photo, move it down, and now let's select another pen tool, hold shift and close, go back here, select the dark blue color. From here, move the shape tool up. Let's select the dark blue color. Select the direct selection and select this point right there. And now select this layer. You can control the opacity and create another simple line design color. Here, select direct selection, control, and turn off the fill, turn on the stroke. Turn on the stroke. Let's see. There you can see the stroke. Let's create ellipse for adding photo here. Select the move tool. Before selecting move tool, change the color and change the size of the stroke and select the move tool or selection, move it up. So how to add image into this circle? Press Ctrl plus O to open and select your favorite photo. So I need to select this photo. This is my photo. Select, sit here, Ctrl plus C To make copy, Ctrl plus V, paste, hold Alt key, change the size, set it, and apply. Go back to layer, select create clipping mask. So guys, if you have title or text, you must write your text informations there. Let's change the color into black and change the size by pressing down arrow key. So let's change from bold to regular and hold Alt key. One copy I need to use here. Take a look. Make a space your text from this between two lines. Make a space your font paragraph from between these two guidelines. And if you need to design the back side of the brochure, it means close your other layers. First close others, go back to image, duplicate, click OK. And now you have duplicate of the front of brochure. It means you must delete your all styles and make chains and design another different for the back side of the brochure. So after that, if you need to save in PDF in one click your both files, you must go to File, go to Automate, Save PDF Presentation. Add Open Files and Save. Select the location, Desktop, and Save. Select 9 and 10 PDF Reader. So let's check another settings. The compression must be JPEG in maximum quality, 300 pixel per inch, 450 pixel per inch, and click on Save PDF. So minimize your Photoshop and go to desktop. You can find your PDF and you can preview and you can see. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This was about brochure design. Let's go to another, how to design flyer.